Onto this menu, an easy and delicious recipe that's good as gold. A beautiful and delicious golden rice. Lei hou ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. I absolutely love one-pan recipes, and this is definitely one that you want to make soon. Let's get started. 1 cup long grain rice. Rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. Finally, chop about 100 grams of broccolini. One onion, finely chopped. Four pieces of garlic, finely chopped. That's pretty much it for the prep. Super easy because this recipe is all about spices. Going to be using some amazing ingredients today. Some notable ones are this incredible saffron. This will impart kind of a beautiful golden color as well as add a little bit of a floral sort of earthy flavor. This stuff is the price of gold, so a little pinch goes a long way, but because when we cook together it's always a special occasion, we've got to add a generous pinch. Sauté pan, medium heat. Lightly crush the cardamom pods and add to the pan. Cinnamon stick. 2 teaspoons sesame seeds. Toast for 2 to 3 minutes. Set aside. Man, we haven't even really started cooking and this already smells incredible. Pan back on medium heat. And of course, this won't be Young Man Cooking complete without the smoky, not too spicy, amazing chili oil. I'll leave a link in the description box below to show you how to make this in a previous episode. 2 tablespoons chili oil. Onions. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Garlic. Toasted spices. Saute for a couple of minutes. Broccolini. Saute for a couple of minutes. Half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, generous pinch of salt. Saute for another couple of minutes. long grain rice. Sauté for about a minute. One and a half cups of water. Generous pinch of saffron. Give the pan a good stir, then turn up the heat and bring to a boil. When the water begins to bubble, turn the heat to medium-low and cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off and let the rice steam further for another 10 minutes. Remove the cinnamon stick. Finally, chop a couple of sticks of green onion and add to the pan. Gently fluff the rice while mixing in the green onion. Plate generously. You can now enjoy this hearty recipe with absolute confidence. I cannot wait to dig into this. Just at first glance, this looks like this beautiful golden rice dish that's literally just glowing. But upon the first bite, you have this explosion of different textures and flavors. The rice is perfectly fluffy and deliciously dainty. It absorbs all of that delicious flavor, the chili oil, the spices. You get this amazing smoky flavor from that chili oil. The onions and the garlic that we sauteed in the chili oil just melts into this. Then you get that cumin, the cardamom, the delicious cinnamon stick that imparts so much aromatic flavor, really lifts up this entire dish. The cayenne pepper really adds that little bit of heat, that little bit of kick. And of course, that amazing saffron imparts this unmistakable, beautiful, golden glow. You really taste the subtle hint of those toasted sesame seeds as well. And the broccolini just kind of substantiates this dish with a little bit of veg. The green onions that we folded into the rice adds this nice kind of freshness. That sweet paprika also adds into that amazing glow and that kind of fiery color. You can even see some of those luxurious saffron threads. It's absolutely incredible how recipes like this is so casual, so simple, so delicious, and of course you can make it all just in one pan. Like I always say, it's recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like me, then definitely check out the Ramen Cookbook, the Cook with Confidence Cookbook, the Young Man Cooking merch, as well as the Plant-Based Sushi Masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check all those things out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.